How to fix try searching to get started on YouTube. So if you want to fix try searching to get started on YouTube, then if you open up your YouTube application and if you have this kind of interface which says try searching to get started, then go for the search which is on the upper right. Tap on the search icon and then you need to search for any channel that you would like to watch, and then go over to their channel and watch any of their videos. Like you can watch 5 to 10 videos, at least 5 videos, and once you watch, then you can either subscribe to their channel if you haven't, and once you've done that, then you won't have that issue. Remember, the more you engage with content on YouTube by searching and watching videos, the better YouTube will become at recommending videos suited to your taste. So don't hesitate to start exploring and searching for the types of videos that make your time on YouTube enjoyable. After you do these steps, then for 1 or 2 days you need to wait for it, and then YouTube will recommend you the videos based on the content that you like, and it will populate the homepage with videos tailored to your preferences. Basically, when you see this message, YouTube just wants you to look for videos that interest you so that you can enjoy the YouTube. So that's how you can fix try searching to get started on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.